What could it mean for global aviation as China's fighter goals take flight on the wings of the Dragon? Welcome to this exploration of the rise of China's air power ambitions. China's aviation industry has seen a surge in progress and development over the past few years. With the Dragon spreading its wings, the world watches as China aggressively pursues its fighter goals. The Singapore Air Show in 2024 was a testament to this, with China showcasing its growing prowess in the field of aviation. China's Air Force is not merely expanding, it's evolving. With a clear focus on modernization, it is rapidly closing the technological gap that has long existed with its Western counterparts. This transformation is not just about quantity but quality, with the development of advanced fighter jets that are set to challenge the balance of air power. The rise of China's air power has significant implications. It alters the dynamics of regional security, creating a new strategic reality for its neighbors. This surge in air power also raises questions about the future of global aviation. How will the world respond to the Dragon's flight? However, it's important to remember that these advancements are not made in isolation. They are part of China's broader defense strategy, a cog in the larger machine of its national ambitions. As China continues to soar in the global aviation space, it's doing so with a clear vision in mind. To conclude, China's soaring fighter goals reflect its rising global stature and its strategic ambition to be a dominant player in the aviation industry. As the Dragon spreads its wings, it's reshaping the landscape of global air power. The world must now navigate this new reality, with all its challenges and opportunities. It's a testament to the changing times we live in, where the sky is not just the limit, but the new frontier of global competition.